Play, buying a bus ticket. Let's talk, ask and travel. Speaking practice. Speak clearly and confidently. Ask about tickets, fare and timings. Share details politely and accurately. Use useful expressions for travel. Learn to speak polite and useful English while traveling.
Hello, sir. Give me a ticket to Trichy.
How many tickets do you need?
Only one ticket, sir.
It costs 120 rupees.
Here it is. What time does the bus leave?
The bus leaves in 5 minutes.
Will you stop the bus for breakfast?
Yes, we will stop in Alanthar for breakfast. Here is your ticket and change.
When will we reach Trichy?
We will reach Trichy by 12:30 p.m.
Speak politely. Ask confidently. Travel happily.
Language structures. Asking about destination. Does this bus go to underscore, blank? Asking about fare. How much is a ticket to, blank? Asking about timing. When will you start the bus? When will we reach, blank? Talking about departure. We are leaving in 5 minutes. We are about to leave. Talking about payment. Give me 120 rupees. Here is your ticket and change. Grammar focus. Polite requests. WH questions. Future tense.
Ticket means pass for travel. Change means remaining money returned. Leave means start the journey. Reach means to arrive at destination. Breakfast stop means short stop for food. Cost means price of item.
Polite requests. Speak politely and respectfully. WH question. Ask questions to get information. Future tense. Talk about actions that will happen. Better communication. Helps us travel and talk with confidence.
What we learned today: we can speak politely, ask questions and talk about travel with confidence.
Asking questions politely. Does this bus to Trichy? How much is a ticket to Trichy? When will you start the bus? When will we reach Trichy?
Talking about travel. We are leaving in 5 minutes. We are about to leave. We will reach Trichy by 12:30 p.m. We will stop in Alanthar.
Talking about payment. Give me 120 rupees. Here is your ticket and the change.
Vocabulary. Ticket means pass for travel. Change means remaining money returned. Leave means start the journey. Reach means arrive at destination. Breakfast stop means a short stop for food. Cost means price of item.
Under grammar and communication we learnt: polite requests. Give me a ticket. WH questions. What time does the bus leave? Future tense. We will reach Trichy by 12:30 p.m.
Great job. Keep practicing and be a confident traveler. Every word you learn takes you to a new destination.